Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the final week of July, the 24th through the 30th, in my social media planner. We're going to be using the, I think this is called Mickey and Minnie Mermaid kit. This was one of the exclusive freebies that she had only available during one of her sales. So it was a $30 and $50 freebies that I have here. This was the $50, this was the $30. So I have those, and then I have this really pretty like rose gold washi from the Happy Planner that I thought matched the kit pretty well. So I thought that would be a good thing for me to use. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this week in my social media planner. If you guys missed last week's, I did the sea turtle theme, or the sea turtle spread from Planet Derby. So check that out if you haven't seen it yet. Alrighty, let's start. Move the deco to the side with this, and I think this is going to be, as you guys are probably familiar with me saying for now, my Instagram pods. I know that Instagram pods are not a huge thing, like people sometimes don't like them, but I like them because everybody that I follow on Instagram, well, most of the people that I follow on Instagram that I like to see their spreads are in the Instagram pods, so it's very nice for me to see everybody's planners and planner spreads and to be inspired by them every single time I open it up, because it's people that I want to see, like their spreads that I want to see. I hope that makes sense. Kind of thinking of using this one right here. I kind of think I want to do that. I'm not sure though. Okay, so I decided to cover up the list that I had here because I'm going to put this here instead for my filming and editing list. And then let's do I think we're just going to go with it. I'm going to put this big box right here. I'm gonna lift that up so that this can go on top. Okay, all right, this is not bad. I don't hate it. I do need to make sure that I have space here. Okay, let me go to this side first. Let's do, actually, hold on. We're gonna go back over here and add some washi because I feel like I need it. I think I'm gonna do some across the top. Don't ever really do that actually. I think I usually just do it at the bottom. I don't think I've ever added washi to the top of my dashboard spreads before. There's a first time for everything, I guess. Usually I do it down the spine. I think I'm gonna do the same thing. No, you know what? I'm not. I am going to write a section out here. Because I'm going to put washi on this side too. Kind of feel like I need some over here. So let's go with a little on this side. All right, that's not bad. Let's do the date covers next, and then we'll see what we want to do from there. Okay, let's figure out, I kind of want to put this somewhere Part of me kind of wants to put it right here. I'm just going to go for it. I don't like doing this, but it's okay. It's okay. I will find another place for my filming list. It's not that big of a deal. Or this could be... Nah, this is my pods. That's where my pods go. But we can do something over there. We don't know what, but we're going to do something. That is... I don't know what I want to do. Okay. I know that I want Pluto over here. So I think I'm going to stick him here so that it's not like contrasting. There we go. And let's put this one here on Thursday. No, I like it over here better. Okay. Let's add this one. Oh, I know. Because this is the same thing, right? So, you know what we're going to do is, whoops, well, if it'll let me. If the sticker will come up without ripping too much, we're going to move it up to Tuesday. If it'll let me. It might not. Oh, it did. Okay, cool. All right, we're moving this up to Tuesday. I was thinking... Yeah, I kind of like that. So having the box here, I'm going to need to white it out just a little bit, but not too much. Okay, and then this is going to have to move over. Yeah, that's not bad. We'll do that there. Okay. And I wanted Pluto over here. On top of this list. And I wanted Mickey to go up here. Yeah, we'll just put Mickey here. And I think I want, you know, it probably would have been smarter to put her over here. But it's too late now, so what we're gonna do is put Minnie. What if we did Minnie over here? mean, that would kind of like cut her off, but I'm okay with that because we still have the same sticker there, so it's not going to be the worst. I just feel bad about cutting Minnie off. And then we're just going to add all of this deco, and then I think we'll pretty much be done. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner using this adorable kit by SweetTPlans. It's so pretty. I'm very, very obsessed with it. I think it is just too cute, and I love the little deco pieces, and I'm really happy with this specifically because it looks like he's reaching for the seashells, and I think that is just so cute and so adorable. So I don't know, I think it's fun. I will leave all of SweetTPlans information in the description box if you're interested in shopping on her website. She does have an Etsy as well, and I think it's the same on both her Shopify and her Etsy, but if you guys are interested in shopping on either website, like I said, all that information will be in the description box. If you're new here and you want to see more of the different kinds of videos that I share, I do have different playlists related to each kind of category, from polymer clay to art prop journal books to different kinds of planner layouts. If you're interested in any of that, check out the description box. Like I said, they're in different playlists. If you're new here and you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out, lets me know you guys are interested in seeing the rest of the content that I share. If you do like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and click the notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly, truly hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!